Good morning students. Your first term exam is over and now your second term syllabus is started. This time pay attention and regular practice is required. Whatever I feel कि lack of practice or so many students are there who did very well and keep it up. This time also I hope all you will do good practice. So whatever I teach you, do the written practice of that. Read that once more, try to understand and rewrite that. Do your homework in fair notebook by your own. If honesty in the homework in fair notebook, then you can do everything nicely. So students, I am going to start this chapter, chapter 14, that is factorization. In this chapter, what is the meaning of factorization? You know very well. We did these also, just like in the chapter of square and square roots and in chapter of cube and cube roots. We do the prime factors of number. Something of this also. But this time, not only this thing, factorization of number, this time factorization of algebraic expressions also. So let us start now. Just like I am going to start this कि factorize the number. First of all, exercise 14.1. Question number 1. What is this? कि do the factor of, find the common factor of 225 and 625. So this is the question beta. For this what you have to do? Beta, first you should do the prime factors of 225. Prime factors of 225 are what? You start from 3, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15, then again 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, now 5 is there, these are. So therefore, write the prime factors here. 225 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. 3 3s are 6, 6 5s are 3 3s are 9, 9 25 9s are 225. 9 prime factorization of 625. What are the prime factors of 625? These are not divisible by 3, so it is from 5. 5 1s are 5, 1 is left, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again by 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again by 5, 5 5s are 25. So 625 is what? 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Write in this way. Now what we have to write? We have to write the common factors. Common factors are 3 is there, 5 is there, 3 is there, 5 is there, 1 is this and 1 is this. Write them only once. So one is 5 is common and another 5 is common. So what is the common factor is? Common factor is 25. This is the answer in this way. So this is the question which is related to the find the common factor of the given number. In next question, some algebraic expressions is also there in which variable is there, that I am going to solve. So look carefully. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बेटा, फाइंड कॉमन फैक्टर्स ऑफ 9q and 12q square. तो solution is like this. 9q can be written as 3 into 3 prime factors of 9 into q as it is, and 12q square is what? 2 into 3 into 3. 12 can be written as 2 into 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, then 6 it is. If we divide 12 by 2 then 6, again when we divide by 2 then 3, 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. Q square is what? Q into Q. The minimum power is common, just like 3 and 3, 2 are there, but this only 1 3 is there. तो एक तो 3 कॉमन है, and Q is there, 2 Q's are there, तो एक 1 Q is common. तो कॉमन फैक्टर्स आर 1 3. राइट नंबर फर्स्ट. देखो बेटे, दिस इज 3 into 3 2 times, दिस इज 3 1 times, this is 3 raised to the power 2, this is 3 raised to the power 1. Lowest power is common, minimum power is common, so 3 is common and q is common. This is the answer. In this way, these are the algebraic expressions. Now next part is question number 1, C part. What is inside it? Find the common factors of 11x square, 22x cube and 33x raised to the power 4. So break all these in the form of prime numbers, prime factors. 11 prime factors is 11 as it is. X square means x into x. 22 can be written as 11 into 2, and x cube can be written as x into x into x, and 33 is 11 into 3, and then x raised to the power 4 mean x into x into x into x, in this way. So what are the common factors? 1 is 11, 11 in all, and x raised to the power 2 is there. In this also 1 2x 3x are there, but this one is 2x is common. 11 and 2x are common. The minimum power is common. Minimum power is what? 11, 11 into 2, 11 into 3, so 11 is common. And what is the minimum power in given terms? In x cube, x square and x4. What is the minimum power? X square. So the common factors are 11 and x into x. What is it? 11x square. This is the common factor. Understand? Now last question of first part. Try all the in between. Try yourself. Any doubt you can discuss to me. So 1h last part. Find the common factors from these: 17abc, 36a square b square c square, 24ab square c square, 12a square b square c and 6a square bc square. But from the numbers you should write like this. Take that number which divides all the numbers. Tell me a number which divides 72, 36, 24, 12 and 6. That is the common factors. Common factor divide all the given numbers. So either you can do it like this, write the prime factors of 72, write the prime factors of 36, 24, 12 and 6 in this way also, or you can find out the largest number which divide all the numbers. So I am write directly common factors अब नंबर सारे 6 से डिवाइड होते हैं। देखो 6 इज ऑल्सो डिवाइड 6, 6 ऑल्सो डिवाइड 12, 6 ऑल्सो डिवाइड 24, 6 4 जा 24, 6 6 जा 36, 36 भी 6 से डिवाइड होता है, एंड 72 ऑल्सो डिविजिबल बाय 6, 12 6 जा 72. तो 1 is this. Second one, A, find the least power of A. A is there, A square is there, A is there, A square is there, A square is there. All are divisible by A. Minimum power, जो भी नंबर पावर में दे रखे हैं, टेक द मिनिमम पावर. A is there. Now from B, B square, B square, B square and B square. Minimum power of B is what? 1. Now C raised to the power 1, C raised to the power 2, C raised to the power 2, C raised to the power 1 and C raised to the power 2. So the minimum power of C is only 1. So therefore common factor from this number is C. In this way bete you can write all the common factor. Whatever be the given, whatever be the numbers given or these variables are given in given statement, take the minimum power of that and from the numbers find out the largest number which divides all the numbers. So you can do like this. Now next question is what? Ki factorize by taking out the common factors. Now what I am going to do, I am giving you a complete algebraic expression and you have to find out the common. Not only find out, you have to take that part common also. Very important topic. This is question number 2. Just like first question is 130 r square s square. Whatever be the number or whatever be the variable is given, plus 260 r raised to the power 3 and s raised to the power 4. R raised to the power 3 and s raised to the power 4. Factorize by taking out common factors. So in this what we have to do, first of all find the common, write the common factor in front. Just like I am taking the number after some time, first I am taking the variable r raised to the power 2. This is r raised to the power 3. So r raised to the power 2 is common because minimum power of r is what? That is 2. Now s raised to the power 2 and this one is s raised to the power 4. So s raised to the power 2 is common. Now what is the common from the number? 130 and 260. 260 is divided by 130 because 13 2s are 26. You can write it directly. So 130 is also common. Now take this part as common. Common means, but I am saying that this part is common. So what you have to do, you divide both the terms by this factor. इन दोनों टर्म्स को इससे डिवाइड करो. देखो 130 r square s square divided by 130 r square s square plus 260 r raised to the power 3 s raised to the power 4 divided by 130 r square s square. Beta whatever we have take common. Common means जो दोनों में हो, टेक दैट आउट और उसी नंबर से दोनों टर्म्स को डिवाइड करो. दिस इज द रूल. आई एम राइटिंग हेयर लाइक दिस बट इन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई एम डायरेक्टली डिवाइड. तो हाउ शुड यू राइट? दिस इज इक्वल टू 130 r square s square. 130 to 130 cancel, r square to r square cancel, s square to s square cancel, only 1 is left, plus 132 जा 360, तो 2 is there, r square, r cube divided by r square, 1 r is left because 3 by 2, 3 power is there, 2 power is there, so these are minus 3 minus 2, 1 power is left, and s4 by s square is what? S raised to the power 2. So this is the answer. Listen again. First we find the common factor, then divide that common factor both the terms. In this way you should write. Now next question beta. In this question these terms are given: 8ac minus 7bc plus 8a square minus 7ab. According to given situation, or according to what we feel convenience for us, that we can regrouping the terms. In this question we have to take the common, to write 8 with 8 and 7 with 7. It is better to us. Otherwise we can take as it is common also, 8ac प्लस 8a स्क्वेयर, इन दोनों को एक साथ लिख लो, माइनस 7bc माइनस 7ab. तो 8 is directly common. 8 in what you take common from these two and common from these two, then we proceed further. So take 8 common from here. A is also common because a raised to the power 2 is there and a raised to the power 1 is there. So take a is also common, nothing else. Now divide both these by 8a. 8a से divide करेंगे तो 8 से 8 cancel, a से a cancel. तो what is left? 8a outside. What is left? C. And in this plus sign is now 8 is outside, out of a square a is outside, 1a is left because this is a square. A square mean a into a, and 1a I write the outside. Or you can adopt that method also कि divide both terms by 8a. I am doing that, मैं वही कर रहा हूँ. इसको 8a से divide करेंगे, c is left, and when we divide 8a square by 8a, then only a is left. Now come here. What is the common? Minus. बेटे जो दोनों में हो, सेम हो, उसको बाहर लिख दो. Now 7 is also common, b is also common, बस this one is common. Minus sign is outside, 7 is outside, b is outside. What is left? C. Minus sign is out, 7 is out, b is out. What is left? A. Now tell me what sign should be there. बेटे यहाँ पे माइनस था, बट दैट माइनस इज आउटसाइड, तो इट इज प्लस. डिवाइड बोथ द टर्म्स बाय माइनस 7b. अगर हम इसको माइनस 7b से डिवाइड करते हैं, देन व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? माइनस टू माइनस कैंसल, 7 to 7 कैंसल, b to b कैंसल, c इज लेफ्ट. माइनस साइन टू माइनस बाई माइनस प्लस, 7 by 7 1, b by b 1, a is left. So in this way. Now in these two terms, what is the common in both these? जो दिखने में भी common है, c plus a. c plus a in both the terms is common. Take this out, c plus a. Left over terms I am writing here. अब इसको c plus a से divide करें तो what is left? 8a. Now this divided by c, यानी कि c plus a बेटे I have write outside, 8a is left. ऐसे सोच लो, c plus a is outside, minus 7b is left. This is the answer. So in this way you can proceed. Remaining part you should try. Now question number 2, C part. Factorize this algebraic expressions also. तो first we take the numbers. Both the numbers are divisible by 5, or you can first write like this: 5 into 19 a square b plus 7 into 5 into 17 a square bc. Now what is the common in this 5? Both are divisible by 5. So 5 is common, and a square is there, a square is there, a square also you should, a square is also common, b is also common. Now leftover term write inside the brackets. 5 यहाँ था, we write it here, or you can write directly 5 as common. When you divide this by 5, then we will get 19. Now leftover terms are 5 is outside, a square is out, b is out, 19 is left. And in this plus sign, 5 is outside, a square is outside, b is outside, 17c are left. So this is the way to factorize this. Beta, whatever be the common in, or we can write directly, because 95 and 85 both are divisible by 5. तो 5 से डिवाइड हो जाएंगे ये दोनों, a स्क्वायर और b से भी डिवाइड हो जाएंगे, a स्क्वायर b भी आउटसाइड, 5 19 जा 95, a square b common means right outside, and out of 85 5 is out, 17c is left. Or you, in other words, you can say, when we divide this term by 5a square b, we get 17c. So this is the common way. In the same way, next part is also there. I would like to solve this also. Just like x, y, d part. Question number 2, d part. What is it? X, y minus wx plus ry minus rw. Now, when 4 terms are there, then take common from first 2 and common from last 2. Or if you want to change this according to your convenience, you can write this one first and then this. It is your choice, but common should be there. Just like in these two terms, x is common, x is there and x is there. So we can say x is common, the leftover terms is y minus w, because x is outside. Or in other words, you should say according to rule, कि whatever be the common, divide this term by that number, divide this by x, we will get y, and divide this by x, we get w, x outside. Now in this bracket, r is common, y minus w is left, because this r and this r we write outside. Or you divide this by r, then y is there, and divide this by r, then w is remaining. Now in this complete, what is the common? This part is common in both these. So write this outside. Y minus w is common. What is left? X. What is left here? Plus r. So this is the answer. In this way you factorize this. Factors mean product. Product of 2, product of 3 brackets, product of 4 brackets, in this way. So beta, we completed question number 1 and 2 up to D part. Remaining part you should try. If 3 terms are there, then take only 1 as common, just like in these two, 1 is common. But if 4 terms are there, then we will get the product of 2. This also, the 2 terms are there, we get the this into this. ये प्रोडक्ट होती है बेटा बीच में, नो साइन शुड बी देयर. तो इन दिस वे you can try question number 1 and 2, or if any problem, tell me about your problems in next lesson. Till then, bye bye, take care, thank you.